Welcome back, and it's day 17. And this is from the personal responsibility category. Time for tea. Who does what? Do you do it all? Menu list, shopping, food preparation, cooking, laying the table, serving, clearing, washing up, putting away. Oh dear. No. Remember, kids want and need responsibility. It gives them a chance to prove their worthiness, capabilities, and positive power. Plus, confidence in the kitchen will always land them a job. So this is a quick one today, and the task is start by asking them to do one task. Yeah. Now, this depends. Your children may be very good at tea time, They may help you lay the table. They may not. But this is for you to get them into the habit of joining in, so you're not doing it all. Why should you do it all? Yeah? It's really good for them to do these little tasks, a little bit of personal responsibility. It's fantastic. It all adds up and it improves their confidence. So when you're not doing it for them, you're taking something away from them. If you don't, if you do everything for them, you're actually taking something from them. Have a think about that. So, just start by asking them to do one task. Try returning their plate to the kitchen, the sink, the dishwasher. And slowly, week by week, introduce further tasks. And you'll be able to sense when they're ready. I know it sounds like a tall order at the moment for some of you, but if you start putting everything else in place, you'll be in for a lovely surprise. Feet up, honey. Your child could end up cooking a weekly meal for you. And why not? Okay, good luck with today. Time for tea from personal responsibility.